This 2017 Highland Ridge Open Range Ultralight UT 2710RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clarkston, Michigan, 48348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.